Hey guys, it's Eric Green from Tax Rep Network. And again, what I'm doing now is answering the most common questions about delivering the 1040 for signature to the client. All right. What happens if the client fails KBA, which is, again, KBA is knowledge-based authentication. If you have a client and they can't get past the KBA questions, again, often because of a mismatch with the information the IRS has, then they should print the return, sign it, and return it. This is easy if your portal solution has a mobile scanner option along with the document upload. If they can upload it in the same system, they can sign it in. That's a huge plus. I know SmartVault and Liscio both have that capability. All right. So it's not everything is lost if they can't pass KBA, but again, they're going to have to download it, sign it, and upload that back to you. All right. If they can do it in the same system, SmartVault, Liscio, all the better.